This is your boy Dan from Shoutout. Once again, we are here to talk about successful stories that you can imitate for your business to keep on growing. So you were thinking about business cards. Today we're gonna get, for example, one of our clients. It's luxury carpet cleaning. Now this is Moses. There it is. Moses is not only does a professional job, he's always on time. You know, look him up on Google. He has 5-star reviews the whole way. This guy is not only does he do a good job, but he has an awesome personality. Now, we started this guy when he was a side hustle. Now he's doing big hotels. He's doing some window cleaning. If you ever need any upholstery, tile, marble polishing, air duct, this is the guy that you want to call luxury carpet cleaning. Now, we did his business cards not too long ago. Some of the cool features that we got is, for example, one thing you want to have for your business card is you want to make it big. You want people to know exactly what you do, you know, so they grab it, they see it. Sometimes you get a business card, you know, and you get the business card, and it almost looks like a newspaper. There's so much writing on there that you're like, well, what is that? What is it? You want to know, you know, what they do right away. And what I always tell people is, hey, use the backside. Use the backside. You don't leave it blank. In the back, what you can do is what we did here with Moses. We put obviously his logo still on there. We put you know, some of the main services that he offers, and then what we did is we put a QR code. Now this QR code is great because people just grab their phone. Sometimes people lose these, you know, they don't keep them all the time. Let's be real. So then you grab this, and then with the QR code, we designed this QR code for him, and it takes them. People can scan this, and it takes them straight to their contacts on their phone. And what they do is they just hit save, and now luxury carpet cleaner Moses' number is saved on there. So then be like, you know what? I need a carpet cleaning. They can type in carpet cleaning or Moses on their own contacts, and they're gonna have Moses' number for luxury carpet cleaning. So those are some of the things that you want to do. You know, a couple other things that we do that are, you know, kind of a little different is you know, you got the sharp edges on this side, the smooth edges on this side. You know, you got his email on here on the back. So if you make little things there that stand out, like the QR code, make it clear what you do, you know, have people be able to save your contact on their contact list, and it's most likely you're going to have repetitive customers. It's the little things that make you stand out. Once again, this is Danny from Shoutout with a few tips on how to make your business grow.